Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the controlling device ready, update your iPhone, sign into the same Apple ID, and join the new Wi-Fi network. Once your phone is on the network and Bluetooth is enabled, bring it close to the Homepod Mini while the speaker is powered. This proximity triggers automatic handoff in the Home app. Make sure Home and iCloud Home settings are active. These let the HomePod inherit network credentials. Now open the Home app and get ready. You proceed inside the Home app and look for the HomePod status card. It often shows a prompt to transfer Wi-Fi when your iPhone is nearby. When you see the prompt, tap through and allow the iPhone to share network credentials. This is faster and avoids a full reset. If the HomePod does not appear, use Add Accessory and scan the code on the device, or perform a network reset on the HomePod so the phone can discover it again and complete setup. You finish by checking the HomePod device details in the Home app to confirm the new Wi-Fi, and then test Siri and AirPlay playback to ensure everything routes correctly. Make any room or name adjustments and allow the HomePod to install updates. If the speaker won't join the network, perform the reset. Unplug, plug back in, press and hold the top until the light pulses and Siri says it's resetting. Remove the accessory from Home, then re-add it using the Home app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.